Very good morning to all my kids. Welcome to my online e-learning classes. Children, today we will start the chapter number 8, Skeletal System. This chapter 8, Skeletal System, comes under the syllabus of post-periodic exam. Means the exam which will come after the periodic paper. So this chapter number 8, Skeletal System, is a very important chapter. So we will learn the following topics under this chapter. What is skeletal system? What are muscles? What are bones? What type of joints are there? Okay, and how we make our bones and muscles healthy. So first of all, it is important to discuss what is skeletal system. So as you know, the skeletal system is a type of organ system like our other organ system which are found or present in our body. This skeletal system is mainly composed of different bones and joints, ligaments and tendons. So these comes all under the skeletal system. So basically, skeletal system is a frame of our body. Means all our body is basically made up of bones and bony structure. It gives a framework of the body. After the frame, which is made by the bones, the flesh and skin comes. Okay, so basically what type of structure humans have, or what type of structure of the animal's body will be, it completely depends on the bones and the different joints. So this is all we will learn in this chapter. So children, let us start the chapter here. So children, chapter 8, that is skeletal system. In this chapter we will learn about the skeletal system. So basically the first thing which we have to learn here, what is skeletal system. So the system, exactly what is system? So basically our body consists of different types of organs, or we can say our body have different types of organs like stomach, liver, lungs and kidneys. These are certain organs of our body, and when these organs collectively perform any single function in our body, then they are known as organ system, or they become organ system. So our body have different types of system like circulatory system, respiratory system, digestive system, nervous system, reproductive system, skeletal system. So these are certain kinds of system of the human body. So in this chapter we will learn about the skeletal system only. This skeletal system is basically made up of bones, muscles and joints. So this is a frame of the body, and this activity, so there is an activity given here, and in this activity we have to match the organs with the correct organ system. Like stomach, so you know the stomach, where the food goes, it is related to the digestive system. Food have to be digested, so it is related to the digestive system. Now the lungs, similarly lungs are the organ, lungs are the organs, and it is related to the respiratory system, a system which contains lungs, nose, and it helps in the respiration. So this system is known as respiratory system. Our next organ is muscles. So muscles, which is related to muscular system. Then bones is related to the skeletal system. Heart, it is related to the circulatory system. Then last is brain, it is related to the nervous system. So here I have joined the organs with the correct organ system. So after the skeletal system, and we will learn in the skeletal system about the bones. How many bones are there in the human body? How many bones are there in children? And what are limbs? What are girdles? What is skull? So after that, you can see here, you can see the diagram of the human skeleton. You know, children, skeleton is a scary thing, but in this chapter we will learn this scary skeleton also. The skull, about the backbone, about the rib cage, about the, see the rib cage, then the limbs, function of the skeletal system, what are the main function and role of the skeletal system. Then let's recall true and false about the joint, it is given on page number 71. After that, different kinds of joints like ball and socket joints, hinge joint, pivot joint, gliding joint, cartilage, what is muscles, voluntary muscles, involuntary muscles on page number 72. Then the cardiac muscles, their diagrams. Let's recall the fill up and how we can keep our bones and muscles healthy. This is the important thing of this chapter here, given on page number 73. So after that, let's memorize some keywords, some hard words and their definitions. Definitions are also given here. So this is all about the chapter, and let's revise also. So children, this is all about the chapter number 8, skeletal system, and its summary. So I hope you have a knowledge about the chapter, and after tomorrow or in the day after tomorrow, we will learn thoroughly, or we will start the chapter 8 properly. This is all about the introduction only. So please read the chapter. This is your homework for today. So please read the chapter thoroughly. Okay, read the chapter on page number 69. Page number 69. Page number 72 and page number 70 and page number 71. These are the pages which you have to read. So thank you for watching this video, and stay home and stay safe.